Are you struggling with hair loss, thinning hair, or bald spots? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people face alopecia, but the good news is there are natural remedies that can help restore your hair. In today's video, I'll share a powerful home remedy for alopecia regrowth using simple, natural ingredients that you probably already have at home. Plus, I'll reveal expert hair care tips that can boost your results. So make sure to watch till the end because I have a bonus tip you don't want to miss. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing home remedies. So what exactly is alopecia? It's a condition where the immune system mistakenly attacks hair follicles, causing hair loss, bald patches, or thinning hair. There are different types of alopecia, including alopecia areata, small bald patches that may grow over time. Androgenic alopecia, commonly known as male or female pattern baldness. Telogen effluvium, temporary hair shedding due to stress or health issues, but don't worry, natural treatments can help. Let's jump into the best home remedy for alopecia regrowth that you can start using today. Ingredients you'll need. Aloe vera gel soothes the scalp and stimulates hair follicles. Castor oil strengthens roots and promotes thick hair growth. Onion juice, rich in sulfur, helps regrow hair faster. Rosemary essential oil increases blood circulation to the scalp. Coconut oil deeply nourishes and prevents further hair fall. How to make it? Take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and mix it with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Add 1 tablespoon of onion juice, blend, and strain an onion. Mix in a few drops of rosemary essential oil for added scalp stimulation. Massage this mixture onto your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on bald spots. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing with a mild shampoo. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Bonus: diet and lifestyle tips. Topical treatments are great, but true hair growth starts from within. Here are some key diet and lifestyle changes to speed up your results. Eat more protein. Hair is made of keratin, so eat eggs, nuts, and fish. Take biotin and vitamin D. These boost hair strength and thickness. Massage your scalp daily. Stimulates circulation for faster regrowth. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water keeps your scalp healthy. Avoid harsh chemicals. Say no to sulfates, parabens, and alcohol-based products. Follow these tips and you'll start seeing stronger, healthier hair in just a few weeks. Hair loss can be frustrating, but with the right home remedies, scalp care, and healthy habits, you can regrow your hair naturally. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and comment below with #hairgrowth if you're trying this remedy. I'd love to hear about your progress. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural hair care tips, and I'll see you in the next video.